A projected 23% climb in Trump by July 6 is noted by Gov Capital Collector. Let's begin with a glance at the most recent market action. As of this update, Trump has gone down 4.2% over the past 24 hours and is now near $1.70. Let's pull up the analysts' expectations. CoinDataFlow believes the price could edge down to $1.64 by tomorrow, nearly 3.6% lower than now. Trump is expected to reach $1.73 per Traders Union, marking a rise of around 1.7%. Digital Coin Price points out it could strengthen to $1.843, a move up of approximately 8.4%. A different projection from Gov Capital Collector sees Trump advancing toward $2.091, an increase of about 23%. To conclude, Crypto Predictions projects $2.23 by tomorrow. That's 31.1% above where the price is now. This stands as the most lucrative forecast. Tomorrow's calls are done. Let's check the next move. All 5 forecasts reviewed. Here's what they suggest in numbers. Based on the analysts' predictions, the price range is from a decline of 3.6% to a rise of 31.1%. Overall, Crypto Predictions provides the leading forecast with 31.1% lift in value by tomorrow. That makes it possible to bring in between $17 and $311 for every $1,000 you invest. From a volatility perspective, Traders Union's forecast holds a 93.3% probability of accuracy. Taking into account all 5 forecasts, I've put together one overall consensus scenario. Market forecasts together indicate Trump moving toward $1.907. Let's look at the details. From the consensus perspective, the price may go higher by 12.1% by tomorrow. With that change, your capital could likewise see an increase of 12.1%. If you applied $1,000 here, it could show around $121 in return. In addition, this consensus outlook for Trump carries a probability of about 7.2%. At this point in the analysis, let's review the 3-day forecasts. According to CoinDataFlow, Trump is set to slip. An advance is expected by Traders Union, reinforcing a bullish stance. A stronger push upward is also expected by Digital Coin Price. The direction outlined by Gov Capital Collector also points toward further gains. Meanwhile, Crypto Predictions highlights an upward outlook for Trump. The consensus aligns on Trump holding an upward trajectory. At this stage, 80% of analyst opinions reflect a bullish scenario for Trump. 5 forecasts were posted 2 days ago. Now we can compare them with what happened yesterday. As a result, yesterday's chart closed at $1.821. Yesterday's outcome showed that none of the predictions got the direction right. CoinCodex came out with the most exact forecast. Let's move on to the breakdown. None of the forecasts matched the candle boundaries. Speaking of ROI, the day closed with all forecasts in the red. Here's the full table showing how every forecast performed. CoinDataFlow displays 78% forecast probability, $0.161 accuracy, and minus 3.6% ROI. Look at the performance. Who seems to have captured the trend most clearly? Now let's check how the projected returns for tomorrow line up between Trump and a few alternatives. Trump ranks first with the highest forecasted return of 12.1% for tomorrow. At this stage, Trump is reviewed together with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison is already up on my website. That's the end of today's update. If this helped you, please like the video. It's the best feedback you can give. Stay well and see you tomorrow.